Okay, it's currently 5 degrees here in Missouri, where I'm at, and we're going to see if we can't get this car open. It's a 1999. This is actually a 98, sorry. I have a 99 in the driveway. This is a 1998 Dodge Neon Highline. Wow, it opens right up. It's been sitting for about 2 days now. Yeah, 2 days. Let's see if she'll start. Fuel pump is a little slow. All right, here we go. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah. Not much hesitation, honestly. Ooh, it stinks. Power steering pump's screaming at us. Okay, let's close the door. Oh, man, it's cold. Okay. Headlights. Will the wipers work? Oh, yeah. Okay. We're just moving it off the street, in case anybody was wondering. We've had a few people slide down this street before, and I'd prefer to not get my car smashed up. So I just moved the truck in the driveway. I should have recorded it, but it didn't. It had really no problem starting either. You see my breath. Okay. Put her in gear. Oh, wow. Should probably let that warm up for a second. I don't know how hard that is on the pump when it's freezing like that. You know, this is honestly the coldest start I've ever done before. It has a really weird smell. That probably is the pump. Honestly. I don't know, it doesn't smell electronic, but it's almost like a burnt smell of some kind. And maybe it is, I can't tell. It's so cold. There's definitely a smell. But again, it's cold on top of that, so I really can't smell that well. Yeah. I don't want to hurt the power steering pump. I don't know if it'll like blow the seals out of it or something. I just don't want to break it. Is she going gear? Yep. Oh, I can't even see out the back glass. Gotta knock some of the snow off the glass here. There's the mirror. Okay. We're just gonna inch her on back. Oh crap. Yeah, I really can't see anything. As long as I don't hit the mailbox, there's nobody coming down our street. Nope, still nobody. That power steering, man. Okay. I don't like that. You know, she still didn't hesitate as much as I was thinking she might. Okay. We'll do a cold start on that one as well. A little RT. That thing hasn't started in 2 weeks, I think. Nobody ever drives a little RT. Never moves. Anyway, this is my daily. So we'll start that tomorrow if we can get the door open. I don't know, I never tried to open the doors on it. I think they're stuck shut. Alright, thanks for watching.